Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition. Really beautiful shape, very nice condition. All right, giving it a quick walk around here. Beautiful shape, it's got parking sensors, 360 camera view, really nice. All right, let's take a close look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing shape. Looks brand new, very nice condition. Upper light here, passenger side looks beautiful. The lower light's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the grille. Grille's in beautiful shape, super nice. Take a look at the headlamp here on the driver's side. Lower light on the driver's side. Quick look here at the front camera, super nice. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Amazing shape, beautiful shape throughout. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Take a look here. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. Glass does have a couple scratches here, like that, a couple scratches there. It's got a couple little chips here in the front. Rear door, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Does have a scratch here on the window, a couple little scratches here. Besides that, looks very nice, beautiful condition. All right, take a look at the rear. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Up here on top, it does have a couple little scratches up here and a couple little scratches on this glass here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it does have a couple scratches there. Besides that, it looks very nice. All right, walking around the back here. Rear hatch looks beautiful, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the rear lights. Rear lights are in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Lower bumper, beautiful condition with parking sensors, looks very nice. Rear light on the driver's side does have a couple little chips here on the plastic. A couple little marks on the plastic here, nothing major. Taking a look at the rear glass. Rear glass looks good, very nice condition. Up above here, it does have a little scratch right here and here, and it does have a couple little scratches here towards the edge of this here. Besides that, looks very nice. All right, quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. All right, taking a look here at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful shape. Don't see any chips or anything on it, looks amazing. Let's take a look at the other side here. Really nice condition on this one. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in great shape, super clean. Really great condition overall. Very nice. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the front driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls for the power windows. Looks amazing. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Full power with lumbar. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel in amazing condition. Looks beautiful. All right, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful condition, really nice shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice condition, looks super clean. All right, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear seat here. Rear seat on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Full set of floor mats, really looks amazing. Super nice condition. Take a look at the liner real quick. Liner looks good, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Very nice, amazing condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Take a look at the Rear seat, beautiful condition. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Back of the seats look brand new. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Take a look at the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. Super nice. We're going to set the key down right here. We're going to go ahead and do the push button start and press the brake. Here we go. Very nice. Beautiful display. Look at that. Love the display on this one. So nice. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the information on this one. Let's start out with the mileage. This one has 19,863 miles. It's like brand new. Look at that. Beautiful display. It shows you the compass, temperature outside, fuel gauge, miles per hour, RPMs. Shows you the speed limit on the road you're on, temperature. This is an all-wheel drive, so that means it has the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive selector right there. You can see right now it's on two-wheel drive. Super nice. 93 miles till empty. On the right side shows you it's in park and shows you all the seat belts that are not clipped in. Super nice. Look at that. So this one's really cool. It's got this button here so we can scan through that right there. That's going to be the Google Maps. You have to sign in or whatever to have it functioning, but when you're signed in already, you can actually see the maps of the road and all that stuff. So you got to put your Google information in there and be able to register, and you'll be able to use Google Maps for navigation. So we'll press the button again here. It's going to go to the next one here, which this is the collision detection in the front. So you can set up the distance on it. See that right there? See how the distance changes? So further away is better. Super nice. Press the button again. It takes us here. This one's like a clean one, just shows you miles per hour and the other stuff. And this is the original page here in the center. All right, fantastic. Let's take a look at some of the other features on this one. So let's do the turning signals. Fully functional. Front and rear wipers right here. This is to put it in gear. So if I press down, it goes in drive. If I press up, it goes in reverse. If I press forward like this, it goes in neutral. If I press here, it puts it in park. Pretty nice. All right, so let's look at some of the other features here. So this is for the cruise control here. The collision alert in the front. The distance one is this one here, which we just messed around with a second ago. You can see that there. This is the information center button we pressed here to change the screen. Heated steering wheel right there to hang up your phone call if you're in a Bluetooth call. Super nice. Okay. And then down here we have our parking brake release, our all-wheel drive button. Here, let's go ahead and test that out. All-wheel drive button. Here we go. There it is. All-wheel drive right there. And I press it again, and then it comes off. See that? That's super nice. All right, so power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Steering wheel's leather wrapped. Looks super sharp. Really nice touch. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Dashboard's in great shape. Looks super clean throughout. Really nice. It's got like this carbon fiber look there for the accents. Super nice. Beautiful screen here. We're going to look at all that stuff in a moment. It does have a little imperfection here on the dashboard. Up above here, check it out. This is the regular mirror, and this is your camera mirror. So you got a camera in the back that's really great, super clear. At night it's amazing. Sunglass holder right there. Courtesy lights right here. You have your airbag light here for the passenger in the front. OnStar buttons. Your visors with lights, both sides. Super nice. Take a quick look at the liner here. Liner's in great shape. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look on this side. Looks amazing. Really super nice shape. All right, so let's take a look here at the air conditioning system here. So this one has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. There you go. Just turn them on and turn them back off. And down here you have all the buttons here for the rear defrost, front defrost, recycled air, the vents, AC. This one has dual zones, so you can set a temperature on this side and set a temperature on this side different. So you can have your own zone. Your push button starts right there. Super nice. Let's take a look at this beautiful screen here in the center. All right, let's go through it here. Let's go to home. That's our home screen. So you got your vehicle stats, you got Google Assist, your Play Store to download stuff, your camera. Look at that camera view there. Super nice. In the test drive, we'll go ahead and do the test drive. We'll show you how the camera view works. Alexa, settings, your vehicle settings, your time, your date, all that good stuff there. That's super nice. Let's go to vehicle real quick here. And I like to look at the collision detection. So this one has alert type. So the seat can vibrate, you can have it beep. Automatic emergency braking, alert and brake. Front pedestrian braking and alert. Intersection collision braking, alert and brake. Adaptive cruise, bicyclist alert, lane change alert, parking assist with brake and alert, and rear cross traffic. It's got all the features, all the safety features there. Super nice. Climate, you can click on that there. See the climate control on that one. Hotspot, in case you're gonna set that up. Very nice. Turn it this way, you have more controls there for the audio, for the phone, your Google Maps, you gotta sign in for that. Look at the controls there, very nice. So you have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, news, USB, and Alexa for music. Super nice. You have My Chevrolet, your news there. This is really cool. When you set up your Google Maps, you'll be able to see the map there and see whatever's on the radio station here. Right now, let's see. I'm gonna put it right there on the radio station there. That way you can see that. Let me go back to the split view real quick. So you can see the radio station here, see your Google Maps right there. That is really nice. Okay, so the Google Maps right now, you have to sign in. See what it says there? You have to sign in. So after that's done, it'll be fully functional. You got to pair your phone there. And then this is some of the features for the vehicle. You have a dome light, power window lockout, the camera, traction control, high beams, automatic high beams, front fog lights, and parking assist. Super nice. Let's go back to home again. All right, that's pretty much it on the display. Down below here, it's got a beautiful tray right there. This little section in here, you put your phone in here, and while it's sitting in there, it charges for you. Cup holders, a little bit of storage here. Glove box is in beautiful shape also. Beautiful armrest here, very nice. Really amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Can't get any better than this. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take it for a test drive really quick. Feels nice and smooth. Beautiful display on this one. Really nice. Really nice. All right, coming up here on the light, and the stop sign here, stops perfect, feels good. All right, let's continue to go. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and check out the backup camera, and then that will conclude our test drive. Here we go. All right, let's put in reverse. There it is, beautiful display. I'm gonna go back up really quick here. You can see that above view there from the top. Going straight back. There you go. And straightening out here. Fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful view there. Now this one has parking sensors in the rear. Right now we have the vibrating seat on. That's why it's not beeping. So it gives you an alert here. The seats vibrate. The driver's seat vibrates and lets you know you're getting close to something here. And then on the screen here you see the triangle also. But you can see the full view of the vehicle all the way around. Really amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and then if you want, you can switch here. This is the front view. Switch back again. This is the front view here in case you're going to try to park somewhere you don't want to hit the front spoiler. This is for the rear. That's fantastic there. This is the side views in case you're parking in the garage or something like that. It's really tight. And that's the rear view. There it is. Fantastic. All right, that concludes our test drive here. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and the tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the rear hatch here. There's a remote for it. You got lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. You're going to press the power hatch twice. It's going to open right up. Look at that. Very nice. All right, let's take a look here at the rear. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. A little bit of storage here. Amazing. Beneath that, spare tire with all the tools. Little LED lights here in the back. Super nice. And it's got a power plug right here. Very nice condition. Let's go ahead and close her up here. There you go. Fantastic. All right, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice shape. Super nice all the way through. Let's take a look at the emission sticker here. Super nice. Bottom of the hood looks good. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. We'll take a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Rim is clean, outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire here. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Michelin tire. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in amazing shape. Look at this. Very nice. Beautiful tire tread on there. Michelin tires all the way around. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and amazing condition. Look at that. Looks really nice all the way through. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really great shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great Used Auto Sales.com. Thanks for watching.